Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. Then you'll see here the media call, ringtone notification and alarm volume panels. We can change them just by swipe these one to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also, we have here vibration focus. We can change it from always to vibrate to never, or just to vibrate first then ring gradually. Also, we can turn on or turn off the vibration when call is connected. We can switch default volume button control function from media to ringtone volume. We can also turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode. We can activate feature to hide player when the media just when we'll stop to listen the music, for example. And in advanced settings, we have here we can turn on or turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing. We can change the ringtone, notification and alarm sounds. And we can turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds and touch vibration. So all of these options we can just turn on and turn off just by click on each of the switchers. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.